Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are ready to go. Wednesday afternoon, 87 degrees and sunny outside. My gosh, nice day today. Who do we have first in the chat? We've got Pudgy first in the chat, man. Yo, Pudgy. Dark Matter, what's going on? Pudgy, Dark Matter. Michael Allen, Dark Matter, Pudgy, Dark Matter. Nick F, good afternoon to you. Dark Matter, Moji, Dark Matter, Pudgy. PS5 Future Gaming, Dark Matter, Shiba, Moji, STSY. We get Dark Matter, Shiba, Victor, Michael, Moji, Dark Matter. Juana's older sister's here. I hope Juana's here as well. Victor, Moji, Outdoor Smile. Bobby, what's going on, man? Moji, STSY, Shiba Daddy, and Moji, what's up? Could have been driving around and telling people about Claro and crypto to try and help spread the word like I'm shopping. I love it, Dark Matter. I love it, man. Let's go ahead and look at the market right now. We've got AMC. Oh, my goodness, looking good right now. Sitting up 8% at the moment. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1236, up 1.64%. GameStop sitting at 158.89. QQQ sitting at 303.48 right now, looking very good, up 1.73%, and bouncing back off of these lows we saw going into the afternoon after that first live stream. We have the NASDAQ sitting 1.71% higher, Biora Therapeutics up 3% on the day, Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all looking solid and green right now. Sundial up 9% right now. My gosh, Sundial actually doing pretty well today. Mullen barcode at $1.08, CEI 42 cents, SPY sitting at $3.95, up 0.78%. BBIG barcoding trying to break out at $1.08, $1.09. Highcroft Mining barcoding at $1.03. Netflix sitting at, where are we at? $216, up 7.5% on the day. Redbox down 5.5 at $3.86. Clovis $1.94. Box sitting at $1.95. Revlon sitting at $5.47 right now. Luna Classic sitting at $10.7. And then QQQ there. You know what I want to show you? Applied blockchain. Remember we looked at that the other day? Oh, it's right here. Remember we looked at this the other day? Look at this bad boy today, man. We looked at this stock the other day. We actually looked at it back here. I believe insiders or I don't know, company employees were allowed to sell their shares. They became unlocked, and we had a big sell-off back in this area right here. And bouncing back very nice right now. Very nice gains over the last couple of days, going from 85 cents, tapping around, what's the high today? 295, back down to 250 at the moment, but applied blockchain looking very good there on the daily chart. Let's see, where we at here? Sodoma Shiba, Michael! Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Very nice, Michael. Very nice, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. And let's see. I wanted to see something. Where are we at here? Okay, I just wanted to pull them, see what VGX is sitting at right now. Okay, and all right. I don't have my calculator up. It's all right though. Juana's older sister. Good. I like it. I'll buy an extra large shirt from you. Bobby, let me restock on shirts or anything, man, before you go ahead and buy. I do want to do some giveaways soon though, too. So don't jump the gun on that one, man. And you might actually be able to win one. I do want to do that, but if you do want a shirt, I gotta order new shirts, man. No, that's not what I wanted. Where we at? Moved all my Shiba to ETC. Ethereum Classic? All right, Bobby. Listen, nothing wrong with that. Tectonic simply yes or no. Shiba Daddy, nothing wrong with it, right? I don't know too much about it, but who was it? Hemilife hooked me up with some Tectonic. So, yeah, man, look, at this point in the game, I think all cryptocurrencies are extremely low in price. Will it survive? I do not know if it's going to survive this bear market. I still believe we're in a bear market. I don't believe that we're in a bull market just yet. And it's actually getting really warm in here. I don't believe we're in a bull market yet. And I think we're going to see some massive gains across the crypto space if things do rebound. So just be careful, right? I do believe we still have some further downside before crypto bottoms out. Let's see. Love my shirts. Nice, Bobby. You're gonna have to get a Claybro shirt then, man. This is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. This is the one, the only Mr. Simon in the house, baby. Ooh, yes, old school Ape Father. I love it. Ape Father doesn't really do those introductions anymore because the Ape Father just does like 1-minute videos of himself going to the bathroom and things like that. So, oh, good old fashioned Ape Father intros. I love it. Hey bro, crypto going again in red, but Shiba in the 1.2s and Bitcoin 23,000. Can you explain? I'm done. PS5. Can I explain the recent rally? Not like guaranteed that I can explain it. I believe there's a lot of positivity surrounding the Ethereum merge, and because of the release dates, we've been seeing some good follow through on these gains. Shiba performing similarly with green lines over the last week, and Bitcoin performing similarly with green lines over the last week. Now, this right here, this bottom, this bounce off support happened on the inflation data release, and we're moving higher since then. Now, a lot of the bounce that happened here was simply bouncing off the support level, mixed with investors, not just in crypto, but market-wide, investors optimistic that the Fed is not going to raise interest rates by 1%. 75 basis points is still a very large increase in interest rates. So it's funny to me to see that producing positivity. Now, the breakthrough, I do believe, came on some solid evidence and some positivity surrounding the Ethereum merge. So I like the news there, news-driven, and allowing the market to go higher. As far as whether or not we're going to sustain a break above this level here, where we've got this resistance, it does seem to be a doji so far. So we're going to have to see what happens in this resistance area right now. But I still think we got a lot of negativity facing the market, a lot of negativity facing centralized exchanges, a lot of negativity facing like the overall, not just crypto market, but economy with recession talk and things like that. So it is going to be interesting to see how it plays out, man. But I think we got more pushing down than we do pushing up right now, or more pressure to the downside than we have to the upside at the moment. But nonetheless, man, Bitcoin performing very well today and maintaining those levels right there at that resistance/support line. I have a bad feeling about Shiba. For some reason, I go with my intuition. Bobby, listen, in the long term, it's probably better to stay logical, create a plan, and trade on that. But yes, nothing wrong with making that decision there as long as you're comfortable with it. What I don't want to see are FOMO decisions where, you sporadically get emotional and either buy in or sell off, and it's contrary to what your plan actually says to do. Wonders if the new Discord will be a members-only perk. It could help build membership. Yeah, Moji, so I'm actually going to ask for some of your guys' advice on that, okay? So I did watch another video on setting up a Discord, and it seems like you can do basically anything on there. What I would like to see as well is, maybe specific sections for cryptocurrency, specific sections for stocks, and talking about public sections, right? Talking about public sections where people can post different things that are like articles about Shiba Inu coin, things about Shiba, things about whatever crypto they want, to kind of, and this is, let me put it this way, okay? I feel like there's a lot of toxic hate going on Twitter and Reddit and places like that. That is not something that I would like to bring over to a Discord. I understand if people are frustrated about price action and stuff like that, and vent your frustration. Like, I'm completely cool with that. But I don't want to bring like the toxic hate about politics and this and that, man, and whoa, like everybody hates everybody and the same crap that goes on Twitter. Now, aside from like general stock, crypto, chat like that, yes, I absolutely do believe there should be a section specifically for YouTube members could be on there. And me, personally, I don't know how to set that up, right? I guess you would have to tell me your Discord name, and then I would have to grant you permission or whatever to use that section of the Discord. I don't know how that stuff works. So that's something I have to learn because I don't use Discord up to this point. But if that's a possibility, yes, I do believe that there should be a members-only section for the Discord. If there's something else that we decide to build on there, yes, that could be like a members-only or a separate thing as well. And from what I gather, like if you guys want to be in the Shiba talk, but you don't want to be in the AMC talk, you don't have to be in the AMC talk, but you can be in the Shiba and vice versa. If you want to be in AMC, but you don't care about Shiba, you can look at the Shiba stuff there. So like that part is all choice, right? And then you can create some other sections where you grant permissions. If I'm correct on that. If anybody else has any suggestions or ideas on things to build with a Discord, please let me know, because I'm behind the curve on that. I've never really used Discord for anything, and I do believe it could be a positive asset to kind of, well, hopefully filter out some of the just nonsense, man, with people fighting and arguing and all that. But I know it'll carry over. But then, dude, you just delete those messages or whatever. So, if Father says this is not financial advice, and his video is about him eating 80-pound steak, who would take that as financial advice? Dude, especially when his steak costs like $400, $500, man. That is ridiculous. Hey, bro, fun fact, the origin of the word sinister reflects a historical bias against left-handed people. It came from the Latin word for left, and that looked to be unlucky or evil. My wife is a lefty. Your wife is sinister. Shib daddy, your Shiba daddy, your wife, she's a witch and not of the sand variety. All right, man, good to know. You got a sinister wife there, man. Darn, I got bumped out by me. No, don't get bumped out by you, Bobby. I don't even know what being bumped out means. Already have a link, but my USDC is asking for game time. Let's get it, man. What are you going in on, Outdoor Smile? What are you going in on? Let's see. Yeah, Tectonic. I have to log in, man. I did, but I don't know what the actual number is. I just went in and bought it after that live stream, so I'd have to see what the actual number is. And I could probably, dude, if I set the Discord up, I could probably let you know there, but my wallet's on the phone, and I don't have, I'm not going to turn it off to go look at that right now. Keep your ads off my phone, and I don't want to hear, oh, Shredder, I'm going to, do I have I don't even have monetization on. Man, this dude's talking about ads. I don't even have monetization on this live stream. Oh my gosh. Do I hit him with an ad right now? No, I'm going to look in 10 minutes. And if we don't have 50 likes in 10 minutes, I'm hitting you with an ad. So make sure to click that like button. Otherwise, you're going to get, you guys got lucky coming in here with an ad, though. I'm going to tell you right there. Don't I know it? Yes, you probably do. Shiba Daddy. Ouch, Junior. I missed what Junior said at 47 million links stuck on Voyager. Yeah, Junior, I'm telling you, man. I that's my USDC sitting on Voyager, and I feel you, man. Michael, burn or utilities? Which is better for Lunk? Long-term growth, I'm gonna say utility, but wow. Moaz candle. But I'm going to say burns are almost necessary on, Jiminy Christmas. Burns are almost necessary on Luna Classic. Like if you really do, let's put it this way. If you want to see some fundamental growth, utility is going to be better. But if you want to see the possibility of higher prices, you are going to need the burns. If you expect Luna Classic to go to $1, you will need burns. No amount of utility is easily going to take Luna Classic to $1. I don't care if they've got the world's best metaverse and it's got 100 million users. It's not going to be easy to get that to a $6 trillion valuation. So I guess it depends on your goal. If your goal is to see the price simply move higher and not necessarily the market cap moving higher and building value and wealth, then burns are going to be more important. If your goal is to see the project become worth more, but you don't necessarily care about the price, right? Now that's kind of counterintuitive. Well, if price goes up, clearly the value is going to go up as well. Well, yes, but you can have the price go up to a penny and it's worth 60 billion. You can have the price a penny, makes it worth 60 billion. If it goes up to 10 cents, the value is going to be 600 billion. And if it goes to $1, it's worth 6 trillion at that point. So if you're looking for value, I would say utility's better. If you're looking simply for price, burns are going to be better. Because remember, we could burn down to 1 billion tokens, and $1 at that point is only going to give you $1 billion valuation. So I guess it depends on gold. Man, we are seeing a fall in crypto right now. Get some big purple lines coming on there. This MOAS candle already erased on AMC. Doesn't even make sense. 2,600 shares being traded there, and after hours already trending right back up. Crypto getting hit at the market close here with 2 large red candles, wiping $400 off Bitcoin and going from 1240 to 1215 on Shiba Inu coin there. USDC is FDIC insured on voyage. Roulette wheel. I think that USD is supposedly FDIC insured. That's interesting concept there, because what they're doing is they consider it their cash that you deposited, and then because they put it in a bank, they're considering it FDIC insured. I don't know if the USDC is insured. The US dollar, yes, but I'm not exactly sure about the US dollar crypto. Dude, I feel a lot more comfortable if it is, because I was sitting with the vast, it was like 90+% in USDC. So I'd feel a lot more comfortable at that point. But I honestly, I thought it was just the US dollar, not the US dollar crypto. Man, what is happening right here? Did somebody say something about crypto? Because this is a pretty steep decline going down right now. A pretty steep pullback, man. Falling off a little cliff. We're falling off a little cliff right there. I gotta go mow the grass. Have a great day. Bobby, enjoy mowing the grass, man. Hopefully it's not too hot and muggy outside, and it goes nice for you, dude. I actually don't mind mowing the grass. Sometimes if it's too hot and sweaty, it kind of sucks, but I actually don't mind mowing the grass. What about Orion leaving? This is a big negative. JD, Orion leaving. What are we talking about here? Whoa, big dump. Yeah, bite-sized cake. We got some big dumps in there right now. Still eyeballs. Juana's older sister. Yeah, what is Juana's older sister doing? Voyager advertised. It is FDIC. Okay. USD for sure, I know. USDC, I hope. Like, I hope they did. If they advertised USDC as being FDIC insured, I would love that, man. I would love that. That would make me a lot more calm. But still, nonetheless, they're restricting my access to it. Bro, I'm looking on Coinbase right now. Stuff is dropping like crazy. Yeah, dark matter. I mean, I don't know what's going on with these 3 big purple candles here. We may get a little bit of a bounce back up. I don't know what caused these 3 candles, but you are right, man. Even Ethereum. Well, Ethereum's actually not even posting no green candles there. So Ethereum coming back down right here. Bitcoin sitting at 23.2, posting another purple candle. I unfortunately don't know what's causing this drop off. If you guys do, let us know. But nothing I would have seen, or I wouldn't have been able to see anything in the last 5 minutes as to what was causing that. Oh, gosh, told USDC to get back on the... yeah, Outdoor Smile says, no, forget about it, man. You're not going in now. Just get on the sideline. We'll put you in later. Coach will put you in later. Don't worry about getting in right now. What's going on with the drop? Michael, actually, very good question, man. If anybody sees anything, let's go see if we can scan Twitter real quick and see if we've got anything coming out. Anybody talking about anything here. I highly doubt that we're going to see anything. Let's see here. I'm not seeing anything that people are posting about immediately. Shib token posted an hour ago. Picture of like a storm or something. So I don't know what that's about. Let's see. Man, Shib token's been pretty active this afternoon, huh? Just scrolling through, I don't see anything right now that people are really talking about, but there's just a very brief scroll through. Juana's older sister with Clay's older brother and mom. Nice, Juana. Juana's older sister. It's not actually Juana. Let's see here. Orion leaving Luna Classic. So JD, I have not seen that, man. I have not seen that. Trying to figure out news, nothing visible. Yeah, that's what I'm saying right now. Tesla's up $30 in after hours. Tanner, Tesla's earnings coming out today or tomorrow? I thought I saw people posting about that, but I thought their earnings was tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah, Tesla's up 3% right now, $766. Not bad after hours. News. So we do have earnings on Tesla. We've got Tesla second quarter earnings per share, $2.27. Beats the $1.91 estimate. Very nice. Sales, $16.9 billion. Misses the $17.9 billion estimate. So they didn't make as much revenue, but they performed much better and had lower costs, so they're able to come away with a higher earnings per share. I'd say that's solid news. Revenue is nice, but if you can generate a leaner profit, I say you're still doing very well as a company, and investors seem to be reacting accordingly right now, pushing the price up 3% after hours. It's $764 right now. Not a bad gain at all on such a large stock there. So already going 778. People taking their profits or pulling back a little bit right now. But nonetheless, I do believe that is good news on Tesla, as it's, I think it got stuck in this area right here. I think that's what happened. So I think Tesla tried to test this level of resistance right here and was unable to break through. So if you go to the hourly chart, yeah, it's exactly what you can see it did. Tried to test this level of resistance right here and is pulling back. So very good news. The earnings per share were much higher than expected, but unable to break that resistance level, at least after hours. Maybe tomorrow morning when it opens up, people will be excited and it's able to break it on some decent volume. But after hours doesn't seem like it's going to be able to make it there. Nonetheless, guys, good news on Tesla. Bad news on crypto right now. Bad news on crypto. You know what I'm actually wondering? I'm actually wondering right now if Tesla said something about their Bitcoin holdings in their earnings report. What do you guys think about that? What time was this? 4:07. All right, this could have just been anticipation of the release. Yeah, 4:06, 4:07. So now I'm wondering if these guys said anything about their Bitcoin holding. If Tesla would have said something about their Bitcoin holdings, like they shaved their position or they think it's coming down or something like that, I think that may have had a negative impact on Bitcoin and crypto. And to me, time correlation is just a little too close. 4:06 on this big candle right here, and you get this big candle right here happening at 4:06 during the earnings report. These two candles with their wicks and then coming back down, these two candles may have been anticipation candles and people just jumping the gun. But the timing seems too good. So I'm going to go with that, all right? And that's 100% pure speculation right there. But I'm concerned, or I'm curious as to whether Tesla mentioned cryptocurrency in their earnings report, and that's what's corresponding to this or causing this drop right here. I want to know what you guys think about that. Let me know what you think about that. I think people did not like that, I think. Kalani! Read my last. That one or the one before that one? Kalani, man, thank you very much for the super chat. What did Kalani say there before that one? Right. Kalani, man, look, I'm going all the way back up. The last one I see before the one I just read is way up here. I don't even see one before that. Kalani, I just scrolled through the entire chat, and the only chat I see is think people did not like that I think. Is that the one that you wanted me to read, man? Because that's the only chat that came through. That's the only chat that came through, man. And I can't imagine that's the one you wanted me to read, but if it is, I like when you think. I like when you think, man. I think thinking is allowed here, I thunk. Yeah, I thought that thinking was thunking, and thunking is definitely allowed. This is the thinking group, guys. We are allowed to think for sure. Go Clay and Market, get Lunic. Juana's older sister. Let's make it happen. Clipper, you're right. All YouTubers on now live about Tesla dump 2 Bitcoin dump. You on spot. Hoo-hoo-hoo! PS5 future gaming. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. So what happened? They only sold 2 Bitcoin. Is that what you're saying here? Tesla only sold 2 Bitcoin. I mean, that's not that much of a concern to me, dude. If Tesla literally only sold 2 of their Bitcoin, dude, that's just $40,000, man. I don't care if Tesla shaves $40,000 off their Bitcoin holdings. That's not a problem at all. I would have thought it would have been more than that, but it did correlate very, very closely to the Tesla earnings release. So that's what I was thinking. And perfect if you got confirmation on that, man. I love it. GHBTC dumping. Tesla converted 75% of Bitcoin to fiat would definitely make more sense to me. Okay, that definitely makes more sense to me. And that might be the message you sent there before that you wanted me to see. So Bitcoin's, yeah, okay, Bitcoin's coming. Tesla converted 75% of their Bitcoin to fiat. Does anybody know how much they had? Does anybody know how many Bitcoin they were holding? Because the 75% conversion, that makes sense. That definitely, to me, makes sense on this. Here's, oh man, this is actually interesting, okay? Let's think about this. I don't know how many Bitcoin Tesla had. If somebody knows those numbers or can go find those numbers pretty easily, let us know those numbers, because I want to do some comparison to Tesla dumping 75% of their Bitcoin and causing not a crash, but we're almost at $1,000 here. You know, $1,000 decline in Bitcoin, 4 or 5% is going to be significant. If Mt. Gox is releasing $3 billion worth, and we potentially dump $3 billion worth of Bitcoin, I want to know what that could kind of correspond to in the market. Now, I know people look to Tesla is more than just the value of Bitcoin that they hold. It's kind of like a reflection of confidence in the crypto space. But nonetheless, I want to do a little comparison on what Mt. Gox would look like. Emma D! Mods retracting messages is frowned upon. Don't retract things, guys. Emma D! Thank you for the super chat. The upward graph equals lie. Politics can die. I'm here for a unicorn crown. What up, my clay bro? What up, my clay bro? What up, my Emma D? You're here for you. Listen, you sent it. You said it. You're gonna get it. That's all I gotta say right there. Soft horn today, but nonetheless, Emma D, you got it for it. Thank you very much for the super sticker. I know that was a slightly different galloping pattern, but Emma D, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. And I like your poem. I like your poem that you attached to that. It was very good, Emma. Thank you. Yo, make a little tone. We got Brett in the house, baby. Elon knew and sold before the news, man. Well, Elon did know. Here's the thing, though. Cryptocurrency isn't regulated, right? You can have insider trading in the cryptocurrency space, can't we? Nobody regulates crypto. Pika Power. What's going on, Pika? Look what the cat drags in. Yeah, a little Pika. Outdoor Smart. I thought I was clever. It was clever. Pika Outdoor Smart. Heck yeah. Brilliant. Tesla earnings report reveals they sold 75% of their Bitcoin worth $900. Okay, so they sold about $1 billion worth of their Bitcoin, and it's causing a little bit of a sell-off here. Thank you very much, Brindle, REO, for coming in here and letting us know it was roughly $1 billion. So, listen, that to me is not necessarily that concerning. Let's talk about why, right? If we see that $1 billion sell-off is causing this drop right here, they didn't sell those Bitcoin today, okay? And we don't even know for sure if the $3 billion worth of Bitcoin that are currently being held by Mt. Gox users will be sold off. Now, not knowing that Tesla sold their Bitcoin way back when, people were completely fine, had no market reaction whatsoever. Nobody knew, right? The daily volume just ate up all the sell orders, and it didn't have a large effect anywhere or a large negative impact on the price with Tesla selling off of those Bitcoin. It was eaten up by the daily volume, and because they told us, because they reported it, we're getting this sell-off. The good news is Mt. Gox releasing those Bitcoin back to private owners. Nobody is going to care, and they don't have to make an earnings report statement telling the world that they sold their Bitcoin. So worst case scenario, man, if we drop $1,000 here and Mt. Gox releases all and everybody reports being sold, we could have a corresponding decline. But prior to the market knowing, it was just eaten up by daily volume and daily moves. It's not that concerning to me. Mt. Gox at this point is not that concerning to me. What are your guys' thoughts on that? Because that's kind of my thought process that I'm going through right now. That if nobody cared until Tesla reported it and they sold $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, I don't know if anybody's really going to care that Mt. Gox sells $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, especially if Mt. Gox isn't going to be reporting it. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Michael says, TFL open to work with Terra Rebel. Hopefully it works. Dude, Mike, I agree, man. Any sort of progress to me would be great. Now, I don't want to see Do Kwon getting back involved with Terra Luna Classic in any fashion. But I do believe that any sort of progress or utility and development that can be built is going to be good. So I do hope that definitely works out there, man. Michael, that would be awesome because I want to see growth. Speculated that he sold to have a much higher free cash flow for the earnings. Okay, yeah, and listen, nothing really wrong with that either, right? I mean, Tesla's allowed to sell their $1 billion in Bitcoin. They're allowed to reallocate their $1 billion wherever they want to. It's just an investment. It's just something that they were holding on the books. So it's not necessarily an indicator that Elon doesn't believe in Bitcoin or Dogecoin or anything like that anymore. They might just be moving money around. About to get some money coming in. Shiba Daddy, heck yeah. What's the reason for the drop? Math Bork? Reason for the drop seems to be that Tesla sold off about $1 billion worth of their Bitcoin. Pika. They owned 43,200 Bitcoin in February 2022. Remy, good deal. Now they own much less. Still not 137,000. But, man, could you imagine owning 43,000 Bitcoin? My gosh. Could you imagine buying 43,000 Bitcoin back in like 2010 for $10? And even selling it now. Like even selling it now for 20 grand and not even selling it at 60 or 70 grand. Like selling it for 20 grand. And then 50 years from now, when it's $1 million a coin, people are like, remember those idiots that sold it at $20,000? Like, oh my God, how dumb were they? Yeah, dude, could you imagine buying Bitcoin, 40,000 of them for $10 back in the day? Juana's older sister's back. Juana's older sister is back. Yes. Is that Mt. Gox with a G or C? First time hearing on this clip. Gorilla. It's with a G. G-O-X. Mt. Gox. So, long story short, just a little recap. I think it was like 7 or 8 years ago. The largest crypto exchange out there, the Coinbase of the day, basically, people were saying they were stealing. I don't know if Mt. Gox was stealing or who was stealing. Somebody stole like 850,000 Bitcoin. Okay? So what they did was they shut down and locked up everybody's assets and stopped everybody from trading and basically ran away with everybody's remaining assets for 8 stinking years. Now they have 137,000 Bitcoin left. the 137,000 were not stolen. After 8 years of litigation, 8 years in a courtroom, they are now set to return those 137,000 Bitcoin accordingly back to their customers. Now, the 137,000 Bitcoin are set to be released next month, and people are believing that we may see 137,000 Bitcoin flood the market as people who have not touched Bitcoin or have not had those Bitcoin in 8+ years decide to sell off or hold onto their investment. So it is going to be interesting to see what happens, but Mt. Gox was a long time ago and really tarnished, centralized exchanges in crypto investing for a while. Don't sell, hold forever. Yeah, man, if you hold forever, you never have to realize any capital gains or losses. They might be expecting a bigger drop and then buy back in. Yeah, bite-sized cake. I am. I'm expecting a bigger drop and then potentially buy back in. Who knows, man? Hopefully, I don't know if they tell you when they were able to sell, but if they sold prior to the start of the quarter, they sold prior to the end of the second quarter, yes. But, imagine if they sold in this area right here, dude, and they sold at 40,000 or they sold at 30,000. They're already doing so much better than they were before, and they may have already bought. Like, they may have bought the dip down here at 20,000. We were looking at quarter two numbers. So, wrong button. We were looking at quarter two numbers. So, they would have ended at the end of June, right? So, we don't know what they did prior to the end of June. They could have bought down here at 19,800, 19,600, 20,000. They might have bought back already. And they could have gotten out at 30,000 plus. So hopefully they did, man. Hopefully they made some decent money there. But nonetheless, we do have a sell-off right now. Shiba Inu coin back down to 11,176, and Bitcoin posting some purple lines and some decent wicks down here, coming back down into the 22,000 level, but it's currently sitting above 23,000. Yeah, but in 2010, you had to wreck a computer for a Bitcoin transaction. Outdoor smile, facts, man. Could you imagine buying a computer or something that already had Bitcoin on the computer and just paying like $10 for the Bitcoin there? If Bitcoin went back to those levels, I'd buy that dip up. Michael, would you buy all the Bitcoin at those levels? Would you buy all of them? Pika Power! Thank you for the super chat. Pika Power says, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. What are we waiting on? I don't even know what we're waiting on. Pika! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. I don't know if we're waiting on anything or not, but nonetheless, I like it. Should have missed the MOS again, JB. You miss the MOS every day, man. You got to get in here right at 4 o'clock. It happens usually between 4 and 4:10, man. Pika Power with the unicorn. I knew we were waiting on something, man. I knew that we were waiting on something. Pika, just for you. You ready for this? Ooh, yeah. What is this? Soft horn, man? Come on. Oh, my horn fell. Pika, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate all of you guys today. You're absolutely incredible, Pika. Thank you very much for the unicorn. I don't know why you guys like that one so much, but I like it too. All of them. Michael's buying all of them. Dang it, man. I wish I would buy all of the Bitcoin. That would be amazing. We actually got a pretty decent sell-off going on right now, guys. Look at this. Bitcoin sitting down here at 23,000 flat. Shiba Inu coin dropping heavy, man. Going from 12.3 down to 11.70. Losing over like 60 points per coin just in the last, half hour or so. Tesla having a pretty hard impact on these. I want to know what Dogecoin is doing. Dogecoin loves Elon. Does Elon love Dogecoin? No, Elon does not love Dogecoin back. Dogecoin... Dang. Dogecoin actually getting hit pretty hard, man. I don't know if that's any better or worse, though. Dogecoin falling from 7.1 cents to 6.7 cents right there. Dogecoin falling along with Bitcoin. Nah, it's not that much worse. Along with Bitcoin. And then Shiba Inu coin. Man, Polygon's getting hit pretty hard today as well. Polygon falling. Cryptocurrency market really, really looking at Elon Musk today. My gosh. And then Shiba Inu coin falling as well. Elon Musk has a lot more pull than a lot of people realize in the crypto space. My goodness. So Shiba Inu coin coming back down, posting 2 green lines right here. Bitcoin got a green line going on, though. Not bad. Maybe we'll get a little recovery. Dark matter. Thank you very much for the banana. We got the lick and stick technique coming on right now. Guys, you take that banana, you peel it. Dark matter. I'm thinking about you, man, but I'm looking at Trapper. Tilt the head back. You lick it. You stick it. Thank you very much, Dark Matter. Really appreciate that super sticker. Oh yeah, Pika, you better look outdoor smart. You guys better be looking. Oh my gosh, I don't know what you're doing. And JB says we got 40 likes. If this is true, yeah, you guys, man. I was even 17 minutes late on that. I was 17 minutes late on that. You guys didn't even get to 50 likes. Sad, 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 man. Sad, sad, sad. Anybody get an ad? Did anybody actually get an ad? You guys all should have gotten an ad because you didn't get one on the way in. Deadcoin, not Dogecoin. Thanks, Emma D, but I think you're the queen today. Yes. Is anyone else chat lagging? Mine usually lags a little bit. Hit it, your turn, peeps. No ads. Come on, Mo G. How did you not get an ad? You need to get an ad. Shiba's king. Yes. Oh my goodness. Bite-sized cakes. Like, what is going on here? Man, I'm gone all day, and I come back in time for the banana. Riptide Redemption. Impeccable timing, my friend. Impeccable timing. Nice, Riptide Redemption. I can only move for so long in this heat. Bobby, facts. You came back right in time to see the lick and stick. I like it, dude. Yes, ad. Keith got an ad. Very good. No ads for Dark Matter. Man. Well, at least one guy got an ad, right? Do you think that Shiba will go down to the 800 level soon? Soon? Let's see. I'll say this, man. Let me say this. Oops. Let me say this. Do I think it's going to hit down in this area soon? Okay? Down in this area soon. If it's going to do it, I actually don't want... Well, it's the daily. I don't care about the daily. No, I wanted a vertical line. If it's going to do it, it's most likely going to do it on or around this day here. Why? 7/27 is when we've got the interest rate decision and the Federal Reserve press conference here in the United States. So if it's going to do it, I would say it's either going to do it in anticipation of this day and people getting nervous, selling off ahead of the interest rate decision, or even if we're trading in this area, we could see some drastic declines if Powell comes out and says something dumb. So we'll leave this on the daily chart here to see. But if something bad's going to happen, it's either going to happen leading into this day here or on this day here, because Powell's going to have a decision, man. He's going to talk great about the economy, no fears of a recession, inflation is under control. Or he's going to say, we're spiraling out of control, Armageddon is right around the corner, and you guys are all screwed. So that could cause a major sell-off there. So that's my thoughts on that. Could it hit it? Yes. If you believe next week is soon, I believe next week's going to be a pretty big catalyst. So if you think next week is soon, then I would say, yeah, it's a possibility, man. But even longer than that, it's still a possibility that it hits that 800 point per coin level. Pika Power, thank you very much for the super stick. She says this one's for Emma D. Ooh, this is going to be a good one. This is going to be a good one, Pika. This is going to be a good one. Pika, thank you very much. It's pulling my hair. Ouch. Thank you very much for the super chat. Emma D, that one's for you. You better have been watching. Look at this. That is some Jimmy Neutron hair right there, man. I'm telling you what. That is some Jimmy Neutron hair right there, if I've ever seen any before. With the little, like, ice cream swirl. Yeah, dude. Pika, thank you very much for the super sticker. And Outdoor Smile says, we got it. A pen here. You're number one. You're number one. You're number one. One more time. Outdoor smile. You know what you are, man? Let me tell you. You're number one. Thank you very much, Outdoor Smile. That is the best I can do at the artist. As an artist, that's the best I can do, is tell you are number one. Outdoor Smile, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate it. Are you telling me I'm number one, or are you telling me that Pika is number one? I need to know. I cannot wait to see what he does with that. There you go, Emma D. That's what I did with that. If Elon making comments can drop crypto, Powell next week is big. Mark, yes. Powell is going to be big next week. And I think Powell's going to be negative because Powell's always negative, man. What is this, a crypto show or an animal show? Math. Yes. And I like the name, by the way, because I like math, man. Hey, guys and girls, look at SDC. Smile Direct Club is preparing to squeeze. Back to the Future 99. I have not looked at Smile Direct Club in quite some time. I have no idea what their numbers are, like Ortex numbers. Well, look, here's my thoughts on this one. Very good day today. I do not know why they ran up. Maybe they had earnings or something come out, and they were positive. This is the problem they're running into right here, though. They're running into resistance right here. The question is, does it break out or not? If it's able to break this level, and then if it's able to break out of this channel right here, then yes. And if it's able to break this at like 130, 140 area, I wouldn't be surprised if you do hit 150. If it breaks this level, I think you could absolutely see a test of this area in here at $2. Nice gains, man. Nice gains. Above that, you could absolutely roll from $2 to almost $3. And then above that, dude, you're talking potential gap fill all the way back up here if you don't get hung up in this area. So $4 or $5 might not be impossible, man, on Smile Direct Club. I just don't know why they're running. These are just these are the levels of resistance that I see right now after hitting a potential bottom down here at $1 per share. A nice rebound so far. But if you're looking at the overall stock price, man, zooming out and seeing what they've done just really over the last year and a half, very, very difficult to be convinced this stock is going to make a rebound, okay? It's almost done nothing but go down in value. They've been hit since inception. And although this does look good, the overwhelming trend is to the downside. So be skeptical. I don't know if it's necessarily a long-term hold or not, but if you do end up with any profits, protect them, okay? Because the overwhelming trend on this bad boy, this is like giving me farmy vibes here. Wants to do nothing but go down. Chris, not that I'm complaining, but seeing my portfolio making profit feels so sus at this point. I'm calling manipulation. Chris, I like it, dude. At least you're calling manipulation on both sides of the game, man. When it goes up, you call manipulation. When it goes down, you call manipulation. Now that's what I'm talking about. Dude, wouldn't it feel really weird after spending a year of no profit whatsoever to finally make a profit? I mean, dude, it's got to feel weird at this point, right? But green is good. You want to see the green. Don't let it hit you and you think you got to sell when you see the green. You want to see the green. Both number one. Heck yeah. Clay's number one, but Simon is first. Yes, Nick Ortex. Where is Nick Ortex? We need Nick Ortex. Love you, Shiba Daddy, but we want cats, unicorns, and fun. The men buying bananas. I'm just saying. For some reason they do, man. The men don't know how to eat a banana properly, I guess. Slide me over some cash, yo. Shiba Daddy, I got you, man. Makes me laugh. Well, make me laugh. You make me laugh. I'm telling you, I'm going to own the banana. Dark Matter 521. I like it, man. We should do NFTs that are only bananas. That would be cool. My rig is down to put in a B250 motherboard. Nice, Bobby. Good deal, man. What are you mining? Are you mining ETC? Is that what you're mining? Emma, I ain't never bought a banana, but I'll admit to a few hot dogs. Hot dogs are good as well. Especially with cookouts all summer long, you gotta properly know how to eat a hot dog, and it's called the dip and shove. It's called the dip and shove. I'll just buy fist bumps. Michael's like, I'll just stay with my fist bumps, man. Fist bump. Yeah, I'll just stay with those. Hoorah! So we had 1 billion Tesla confirmed. BTC dumped to a low of 23,000. What can make that 18,000 level? Fed 100% basis points or what? Yeah, so PS5, I think Fed increasing interest rates more than expected, or even just the Fed coming in and raising interest rates as expected, could still have a negative impact on the market and drop Bitcoin down. I honestly don't know if a 100 basis point increase would drop it from 23 to 18. I don't know if it would be that steep of a decline on 1%. Inflation being bad again or continuing to rise next month would lead to the declines, would lead to more declines. If Jerome Powell talks crap about the economy or talks fears of a recession, that is likely to have a prolonged effect and cause Bitcoin and crypto to continue moving lower. I'm not terribly concerned about Mt. Gox, but that could add to the negativity there. If Coinbase's earnings report comes out, I think August 8th or 9th, if Coinbase releases earnings and they're looking like they're in financial trouble, I actually think that could be one of the worst catalysts if Coinbase comes out and says that they've got no choice but to either shut down or restructure or something. If they've got some terrible news, man, I think that's going to hit the crypto market pretty hard. How's Lunk? Lunk actually doing pretty well today, man. Lunk's sitting at 10.2 at the moment, falling along with Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin and stuff right there, trying to bounce back a little bit, but still bouncing nicely off that 10,000 point per coin level of support. So Lunk is still doing good, been pretty steady throughout the afternoon here, but getting hit with Bitcoin and all the other cryptos, as they don't like that Tesla sold off of their crypto position. I prefer Geet Goop. Yeah, Geet Goop is a good one as well. Thoughts on the GME split? Victor, I like it, but I don't think it's going to do anything to hurt the shorts or cause a short squeeze and stuff like that. I do like that it makes GameStop a little bit more accessible to people, but I don't think it's going to be necessarily a trigger for the squeeze. Man, that Tesla coverage from Kevin's stream was mind-blowing. Nice, Kalani. Very nice. Yes, Chris, I'll deserve a double take. Something when Chris say, definitely going to feel weird the day the squeeze comes and goes. Probably won't hit me until it's actually in my account. Chris, don't let it go in your account and then disappear from your account. Don't let it do that. Take some profit, man. Even if it's make sure you take profit. Just make sure you take profit. Don't let it come and go. That would be the worst feeling ever. Chris, right? So what am I going to watch all day after AMC? Remember when AMC was going to be a swing trade, but here we are. Dude, I remember when AMC was going to be a swing trade. I never expected to have AMC on my screen for What if we're saying this in 2030? What if we're saying this in 2030? Do you think the Shiba Inu coin can hit a penny in 2040? Do you think that AMC is going to squeeze this week? Dude, I hope not, man. I hope not. We're in a recession. Oh, wow. Do they really need to say it? Bobby. I think that they do, because I don't know why they're denying it. We are in a recession, yes, but I don't know what they're waiting on. I really don't. What's a better wallet to store crypto safely? Nick Tico. There's several wallets out there, right? You got Trust Wallet, you got MetaMask, and so on. If you're using a wallet on your phone, Trust Wallet is associated with Binance. Coinbase wallets, obviously with Coinbase. Crypto.com wallet, obviously with Crypto.com. Stuff like that. So you have to worry and wonder what's going to happen if Binance goes under. What happens to Trust Wallet? What if Coinbase goes under? What happens to Coinbase wallet? Trezor, Ledger, these are some other ones that you can go out there and check out if you want the flash drive wallet. Hickley, that's what I mean. Comes and goes, takes profit, then in my bank account, then reinvest. Boom. Chris, man, it'll be a glorious day, my friend. It'll be a glorious day. It'll probably never hit you. You'll probably always be like, well, that was cool. I remember the MOAS 2022. Ooh, yeah, it was a nice time, man. Nice time. Made that money with friends. Now I'm here. From a private island in the South Pacific, perhaps. Moji. Now that sounds like something I'm interested in. Let's get started. Always tomorrow. Peak Power knows when the MOAS is. It is always tomorrow, guys. Tim and Victor, heck yeah. I'll bring it open for 1 hour live streams at this time. When you're on holiday, enjoy. Shiba Army loves you. Respect. PS5 Future Gaming, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. And no worries, dude. No worries. You'll still have videos. You'll still have all that stuff. And then we'll be back to our regularly scheduled programming right afterwards. I'm 60 and seen the recession in the 80s and sine waves since 80s and since waves since 1975. And this is the worst. Yeah, Bobby. I mean, what we got going on right now may not be the worst in terms of like job losses and stuff, because we've already gone through the great resignation, right? People have already quit their jobs. They've already, anybody that wants to be on unemployment is on unemployment. We've already gone through that. Like what we went through with the C word was absolutely ridiculous and like unprecedented, right? We're going through some crazy stuff right now. And I do believe it's very difficult for the economy. And I don't know if they're stressing that enough. Maybe they don't want to scare people. Right, I get it. Maybe they don't want to scare people, but nonetheless, we have to be real. A little recap here. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Oh, man, I just did it at 4:30, didn't I? 55 likes. I'm going to tell you right now, if we don't have 20 more likes, if we don't get to 75 likes at 4:50, you guys are getting hit again. 55 likes, guys. There's 126 of you in here. Come on. Let's see, a little recap what's going on. AMC sitting at 17.43 after hours, down about 0.5%. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.79 right now, down 3% on the day. GameStop barcoding back and forth, $158.40. We've got the QQQ sitting down 0.28% after hours right now at 302.17. We've got the NASDAQ, obviously not doing anything because it's closed. Closed the day at 11,897. GameStop, we just talked about it, BR Therapeutics, sitting up 0.35% after hours. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Shiba are all down right now after the Tesla earnings report coming out. Sundial sitting at 34.87, down 1.13% after hours. Mullen Auto barcoding still at $1.08. CEI sitting at 41.59 after hours. The SPY sitting down 0.18% after hours here. BBIG still barcoding $1.08, $1.09. We got Hycroft sitting break even at $1.03 after hours. Netflix holding on to its gain, but currently sitting at 215.41, down 0.5% after hours. Redbox up 0.25%. Clovis up 1%. Boxed break even at $1.97. Revlon sitting up 0.92% at 5.48. Luna Classic 10.2, trying to bounce back and back up to the QQQ there. We will watch. Okay, Bitcoin coming on back up. Obviously, people don't care about Tesla anymore. Old news, old news. We're on our way back up now. Who cares about Tesla? Bitcoin bouncing. We got some green candles coming in. Good, good, good. Not hard to hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. It is not. Well, just scroll through it. You guys are about to get hit with a like. I'm telling you that right now. Someone was talking about averages in their portfolio yesterday. What's that all about? Aaron. So your average, the average cost of your position. Now, if, for example, if you're looking at AMC, if your average cost on AMC is $30, you're going to be showing a loss. You're going to be showing a loss of about, where's it at right now? $17.50. What? $12.50. $12.55. You're going to be showing an average. You're going to be showing a loss of $12.55 per share at this point. We were talking about averages and comparing to them to the overall portfolio value. Let's just say you only bought one share of AMC. Okay, we're going to make the math simple. You bought one share of AMC at $30. Right now, your overall portfolio is sitting at $17.43, and it's showing a loss of roughly $12.57. Now, you can get your average down fairly simply if you close that share out and buy it right back in. Now, let's say you did that. All of a sudden, your average drops down to $17.45. It is a lot lower than $30. So if AMC goes up from here, instead of showing a loss of $11, you're going to be showing a gain of $1.50 at that point. It's going to be nice to see that gain of $1.50 because your average price per share is much lower, almost cut in half. But your overall portfolio value is still just $17.43. It didn't change anything for your overall portfolio value. It simply just made your average lower, so you might be able to see green numbers instead of red numbers. but the overall portfolio remains the same. So that's kind of the conversation we were having yesterday, I believe, with averages and not necessarily mattering if your goal is to simply sell your shares and buy right back in. Your overall portfolio value doesn't change. And then we started to go on to the potential tax implications of selling and buying back in. And if you're trying to write that loss off, you may not be able to because of the wash sale rule. If you're sitting on a gain, you may want to wait for your long-term capital gains if you're close. So a lot of stuff that you can consider with that, but I believe that's what the conversation was yesterday. Jay Bones, what's going on, man? Gotta go mow again. Bobby, enjoy mowing, man. Don't get too hot out there. I think fun will squeeze. Oh my god, I have not looked at fun in a long time, man. Wow. $1.41. It is possible. It is possible. I don't know what this was on here, but going from 80 cents to $24 is ridiculous, man. 80 cents to $24 overnight. Ridiculous. Do I think it's going to squeeze? I don't know. It's had several times in the past where it's gone crazy, but I don't really know anything about these guys or what they do. If you want to hold a lottery ticket, hold a lottery ticket with a take profit at $15 if you want. I don't know. But I've not looked at fun in a long time. Shiba Daddy, absolutely. One last dance to load the money. Let's get it, man. Clibro, how is you now? Sam Demand number 2. I'm doing okay right now, man. How are you doing? Tim, I think the same way. You think the same way as I do, brother. What did Tim say? I was kind of figuring it would be Playside Studio, but third floor. I gotta do some research on them. Third floor, interesting. Is that the name of the gaming studio that's gonna build the metaverse or what? What do you think caused this drop? It's sour. I think that this drop was caused by Tesla. Tesla released their earnings report at the exact same time that Bitcoin and these cryptocurrencies started to move. And in their earnings report, they announced that they sold off 75% of their crypto. And that amounted to roughly $1 billion. So Tesla announcing that they sold off a great portion of their crypto caused investors to get a little worry or panic. And the cryptocurrency prices sold off across the board, and they do seem to be bouncing back right now. I personally think it was an overreaction, right? Because they didn't sell them right here. It's not like they sold their Bitcoin right here. They could have sold it. They could have sold it anywhere, man. They could have sold it anywhere. Who knows where they sold it? People just learned that they sold it right here. So, yeah, that's I think it was a bit of an overreaction to the news, but I think that's what the news was that drove the price lower, was Tesla's earnings report. No throwing shares today, bro. J Bones, man. No throwing shares today. I got you on that one. I'm still working on find the exact location of Clay Bro project. I thought I'd have a hot IP address, but when I looked into it deeper, it turns out to be a kid named Duncan playing Minecraft. Yes, my name is not Duncan, and I do not know how to play Minecraft. Is Minecraft like a game you play on the computer? You have to buy it? I don't even know what Minecraft is. Did you see that Shib signed Third Floor Studios for the metaverse? Football. I have not seen that. No. When did they announce that? Did they announce that while I was live? Because, well, I don't know what my video is probably going to be about tonight. Thank you for not ignoring. Heck yeah, bring the... Oh, man. Oh, man. Dude. Guys, I say 75 likes, and then you don't even do it. You don't even do it. Hemi Life. Dude, Hemi Life's like that guy. The class is about to end. And he's like, wait. You didn't collect our homework. Ah. Well, dude, you didn't click the like button either, man. So you get what you got. You got an ad. Hemi Life, man. Let me know what you guys, if anybody got an ad out there, let me know. Bring on the ads. Hemi Life, I got you, man. Thank you, brother. It's sour. Absolutely. Shiba to a penny. Let's make it happen. No! Yeah. Tesla earnings today. Yeah, Tesla had earnings today. Positive EPS. And they missed on revenue. And then they sold $1 billion worth of their Bitcoin. It's sour. Thank you for the explanation, brother. Thank you for the super chat, brother. Really appreciate that. It's sour, man. Thank you very much. Thank you for the super chat there. And I believe that's what's going on, right? I haven't seen any confirmation. But Tesla did announce that they sold roughly $1 billion worth of their crypto. And then you got some other YouTubers out there, and I believe Meet Kevin was going over it, talking about the potential decline there. But Seems to be, and at least makes sense as to what it was there. I tapped the like. You don't look at me this time. Shiba Daddy. How do I even know that you tapped the like? Clear road, glad you broke the resistance. 69 likes. Megaton, I'm telling you, man, it's tough. These people, it's tough with these likes, man. I don't know why you guys are so stingy with the darn likes. You have no idea how much it helps. I hit the like button every time when I enter the stream. Every time. Frodo, I believe it, man. And because of you, we've got viewers. Literally, if you guys actually did click the like button, we probably would have like 5,000 people in here instead of 100. You guys are just stingy with your likes. I know you are. Elon bet on losses. I hope they don't lose. They announced third floor like 4 hours ago or so. Dude, I didn't see it. I didn't see it at all. No, I don't get it. As a YouTuber. This dude, man. No wonder. No wonder. He's already got extra credit. He doesn't care about the homework. He's just telling you to get everybody else. I like it, Hemi Life. Trophius announced it. Really? Okay. I'm sure it was retweeted everywhere then. Keep on keeping on, guys. Patience is virtue. Hold it down and enjoy the ride. Shib, Lunk, Cardano, and Matic for the wins. Let's get it, Edwin. Elon investing in Shiba after the third floor. Yeah, Hendrix. That would be amazing, dude. It would be amazing if Elon just announced or made a statement about Shiba Inu coins. You might spank for not tapping the like that. What? Yeah, good. Shiba Daddy. Good. You got to click that like button. It's for real. Same Frodo. Still get ad punishment with the peeps and the like button. What did the like button do to you? Seems friendly enough? Yeah, so click it. Tesla plus 36 cents earnings per share. Yeah, Tesla actually did very well on their earnings per share. Oh, what were they? Yeah, there we go. There's the 10 minutes ago. You got that one. But it's $2.27, and the estimate was for $1.91. And Tesla reveals it sold 75% of its Bitcoin holdings. What's next for Tesla and Bitcoin? Dun, 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 dun. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Dude, who knows? I mean, they could go buy it when it's at 10,000. They could buy it at 15,000. They could buy it at 30,000. Who knows what they're going to do? Clearbro, do you get money back from Voyager 2? Ignore my call and email. Thank you. Yeah, Sam Demand. So I have, my stuff is still locked on Voyager. My stuff's still locked on Voyager. Hit the like button so we can get more apes and bros. Recruited all myself. Really, I'm actually really bad with the like button. Oh, Chris, you got to remember to click that like button, dude. You got to remember to do it. One more ad. I'm cracking that down like I'm rich. Oh, Tim. Don't do it, man. Don't click that down button. Only click the like button. Have a good night, y'all. See y'all tomorrow. There's always tomorrow. Tomorrow always comes. We might not be there, but tomorrow will be. I agreed to exchange money for cat impressions. No more, no less. Yes, Emma D, exactly. That is exactly what you want. That is exactly what you get. Even up trade on that one, I know it is. If you leave an AMC, Shiba, or anything else discussed, click the darn like button. You will feel an instant rush throughout your body. Not sensual advice, but it is a fact, man. And advice typically is not facts. They're simply facts. The legend burn WhatsApp, man. I'm the legend on WhatsApp. Oh man, no more ads. Yo, Shiba Daddy, you're about to get all the ads if you don't click that like button. Hi, do you have an instant? Oh my god. Clear, thanks, my brother. I will say this again, but Crypto Live, we love you. Shiba and the community strong for you. We will make money on the bull run. Yes, we will. PS5, Cows, Eddie Murphy. Something's going on, but I don't know what it is, guys. It is 5 o'clock. It's actually really warm in this room right now. I'm going to go downstairs. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We'll be back this evening with videos, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Make sure to check those videos out. See everyone later. Heck yeah, my phone's about to die. And we're leaving anyway right now because it's 5 o'clock. So we'll do some shout-outs, guys. We'll be back in a couple of hours, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Make sure to watch those videos, like them, share them, all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys in advance. Shout out time. Pika Power, Mark L, Emma D, Sam Demand number 2, Johnstontown, Moji, Rel, Setnet, See You Later, Shiba Daddy, Sam Demand, PS5, Tim, Chris, Dark Matter, Wana's older sister. Bye, my sister's Clay. Heck yeah, bye, Wana's sister. Moji, see you later. Pika Power, have an awesome day. Absolutely. Michael, Frodo, bye everyone, have a great day. Yes, see you all tomorrow for sure. Bite Size Cake, Gorilla Invictus, STSY, see you later. Mellow Mama's in the house, baby. Yes, Mellow Mama's, haven't seen you in a while. Shiba Daddy, DD214, Michael, see you later. It's Sour, have a good day, brother, as well. Tim Hogan, it's that time, Clay fam. Heck yeah, gotta go. Get your work done. Have a great rest of your day, bro. You as well, Hemi Life. Roulette Wheel, Rossla Points. Sam the Man number 2, PS5 Future of Gaming. Aaron Jeffrey. Later to you as well. I'm pretty sure that might sum it up. So, guys, you know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.